Hey guys, now I'm gonna teach you how to make a vending machine in MCPE. So let's start and do this. Easy, so easy. And wait, and then if you see it's too lag. So wait for the wait. Oh, sorry. Okay, and try again. And MCPE. Let's go to MCPE again. And then please cooperate MCPE. So please wait for a while because I think it's too lag, but it will works. Yeah. New, go to new. So why you can wait? Sorry guys, and I need to do something. I want to go in MCP, and then I'm here. So I think because it's too lag, I don't know why. So I need, yeah, cooperate now. So let's do it. I will give all you need. You need stone, cactus, and okay, I'm lobat, so I can do that. Oh, sorry, fence gate, cactus, sand, and then torch. Yeah, you need that. And what will I need? I think I need. Okay, I will back it later so I know how. Dig across. Dig one in the middle. Place your sand, cactus. Place the torch there. Oh, I forgot and water. And you place in both sides and then cover it with stone fort. And then do like that. Do may place two sand above the torch. And then do like that. You get it? So don't leave this. Don't don't place a block there. It's wrong. So now let's do it. So let's make it do like that. And then there. Yeah, do like that. And place another one here. And then make 3 by 3 square. So yeah. And then make a big C. Yeah, like that, and cover it. So like that. 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 So you're finished, but you need to like that. And then I will get stone. Oh, I mean sign, sorry. A payment, gravel. Yeah, I just want to label it and then collect your order. Oh, sorry, but it's your. Okay. Collect your order here, like that. So we need to count. 1, 2, oh, sorry guys, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and dig here. Make a stone too high, and then to like that around the sand, and then place your water there, and then get animals that you want. Me, I want chicken, and then sword. So let's do it. Place your animals here. So let's kill it. Kill. Yeah, I need to kill you so bad. I will kill you. I will kill you. Then don't go inside because you will get the chicken. So now let's get. Oh, you want sand or gravel? Me, because I leveled gravel and I want. Oh, I will get gravel for you. Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, sorry. Are you ready? Oh, sorry. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Oh, yeah, my chicken, my chicken. I don't want to get that. I don't want. Yay! Please subscribe if you enjoy this video. Please, if you have many comments, please. Oh, if you have a question, please comment below. And my name is Alan Salvador. And then goodbye. Please subscribe this video for many videos. Okay, happy New Year. And then happy New Year, guys. Yeah. So I want to say goodbye.